I fucked myself because I put it in wrong. So I cross-threaded that fan. Stupid pump. What's up, Tire Garage TV? Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. We got some work to do, so let's get to work. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Pablo. I own the shop, I run the shop, I work at the shop, I do everything here around the shop. I'm a one-man team. This channel is all about owning a shop, working at a shop, running a shop. If you like mechanical work, if you do tires, or if you just like cars. So subscribe, join us, and I hope you enjoy. So I'll show you what we do throughout the day, and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. And let's get to work already, man. This baby is leaking radiator coolant. I don't know where from. I still gotta look for it. So I've got some work on this one. I'm pretty sure about 100% it's the water pump. But I have to double check just to make sure. I'm not gonna do the job without verifying things. So let's make sure where the leak is coming from and turn it on and go. I'm gonna take this off the fan shroud, that way I can see better. Alright, I can't tell. It's not leaking right now, but I can tell there's that wet spot right at this side of the water pump. So I definitely think it's the water pump that's leaking, but I can't see a leak right now. So there's two spots where it leaked overnight, but it leaked very little. Yesterday he sent me a picture when he pulled up to a meeting. Leaked a lot. Now it doesn't have a lot of fluid, so let me pour some water in here. Definitely sucked up water. I don't see it leaking anything. Oh, wait a minute. I think I do. Let's get under it. I want to double check, make sure. I mean, it is the pump, right? Like, here's where the leak's coming from. Alright, here you see the drops, right? Drops of water, and they keep dripping. Drip, drip. Here's what I can see. There's what is dripping. See that? It's coming from all the way up here, which is actually exactly the water pump right there. I can see it from here. I'm not sure if the camera's catching it or not. Can you see that droplet up there? About right there? Right there. Yeah, water pump it is. Water pump it is. Let's get to work. There she is. So that's the old one. Where she was leaking from right here. Leaking from here. Both sides. More than anything, I think it's the gasket, which is this thing. But you gotta replace the pump because it could be, I guess you can potentially clean it out. But if you're gonna charge that much, might as well just replace the pump. It tends to go out once in a while too. This is it. This is the reason it was leaking. These little rubber parts. Weak links in the chain. Okay. The torque specs on this, I can't remember exactly what they are. Not off the top of my head. Let me look. I think it says 22 foot-pounds. That little ratchet can do more than that, so they're already at 22 foot-pounds. Let me just torque everything down and just start putting everything together. That part right there looked easy enough, right? You just have to screw it on. But I've made the mistake in the past where I screwed that. The last time I did a water pump, I fucked myself because I put it in wrong. So I cross-threaded that fan. The fan didn't get cross-threaded. What got cross-threaded was the pump. So guess what? I had to replace the pump. All on my cost. On this case, just do it carefully. Just set it in, make sure it's nice and straight, and then it just turns easy. It should be an easy thing to do. Yo, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining the channel. That baby went home already. She's back with the family, back at home. Nice and cozy. And working. And not leaking. But I just want to say thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Hit that like button. Share the channel over with anybody you think might like it. You know, we do anything car related around here. So, thank you for watching. I'm going to post the Instagram, my Instagram up here, the shop Instagram up here. Go check those out. Go hit that follow button on those 2 accounts. Peace. Catch you on the next one. And you know the saying. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.